So these are the hair products which are the cleanser one. Oh, these kind of things happens to me. Don't worry. Namaste, and this is Sunny and welcome back to my channel Glam Up Teen. And in today's video we are going to see some reviews of the free products which I got, which means I got these products totally for free of cost. The only thing which I have done is that I have paid for the shipping charges. So if you're going to pay for the shipping charges, you can also get these products absolutely for free of cost. Hearing the word free of cost creates some excitement in us, because any skincare products or makeup products we are getting for free of cost, it's like wow. So today I'm going to share my reviews on the free products which I got from CocoSole. The brand name is called CocoSole, and I got the products which are inside this pouch are absolutely for free of cost. And before getting into the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and the bell button so that you will never miss any updates from my channel. So without doing any further late, I'm just starting this video. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Firstly, I want to clear you that getting the products for free of cost means it doesn't mean we'll get the full size products. Like these may include the trail products or the sample products, so that they will give you for the free of cost and you have to pay for the shipping charges. And these does not include the PR products which many of the bloggers will get. PR products are different from the free products or the trails or the sample products. So today I'm going to show you the products from the brand so called CocoSole. So the brand name is called CocoSole, and I have received this in this cute pouch, and this brand includes the products which are meant for body, face, hair and so what. So I'm just revealing what are the products I got in this little pouch. And I have received 5 sample products in this pouch. The first thing is the CocoSole Hair Scalp Cleanser. So this is a hair shampoo. And the second one is the CocoSole Conditioner Hair and Scalp. So this is the conditioner. And the third product which I got is the CocoSole Body Lotion. This is for the body. You can use it in winter as well as in summer also. And the fourth product is the CocoSole Shower Gel. So this is the shower gel which we use with the loofah. And the last product is the CocoSole Face Wash. So while discussing about this brand, firstly I am very new to this brand and I have not used any full size products from this brand. So this is the first time using these kind of products, and I have used a couple of products from these. I have used a face wash, the shampoo, the conditioner, and yes, these three I have used. And I think the body lotion also. I didn't use this shower gel until now because I have kept it for my traveling purpose. If we are going to a tour for 3 to 4 days or for a week, I can use this. That's why I didn't use this. And these also have used only for the couple of times because I have saved these for my traveling purpose, because these are so cute and travel friendly. And coming to the build of the outer packaging of these products, these comes in tubes with a nozzle, and these are not of cheap quality. These are very sturdy and travel friendly, and you can just put it in your bag and just go wherever you want, and you can use it with very ease. So the outer packaging is absolutely fine and very friendly. And coming to the ingredients, these are silicone free, paraben free, sulfate free, and no phthalates, no formaldehyde and no mineral oil. So this is like and this point is very interesting because these are absolutely silicone free and the paraben free. And coming to the ingredients and directions to use, these are completely printed on the back side or behind the tube. So, and the manufacturing date and the expiry date is also mentioned very clearly on the printed side. And these products are 100% vegan, which is a very good thing about the products. Nowadays we are just searching for the products which are vegan, and the main ingredient of these products is that 100% organic virgin king coconut oils. Like we know that coconut oil is very good for the skin, which just hydrates the skin and protects it. And for the hair also, the coconut oil is a very good ingredient for the hair growth. And the quantity of the products which we receive is only 30 ml, either it's body lotion or shampoo or face wash, anything ever it may be. We receive only 30 ml of the product, and with this cute tube packagings. So I'm eagerly waiting to use the full size products from this brand because these work good. And I have received a Coco Soul passport too. It's nothing but it includes what are the products which they have. So if we want to restock the products, we can just go through this passport and just order the products. And I'll be storing these in my cute pouch so that I can take them while I'm traveling. And while coming to the shipping charges, coming to the shipping charges, they charge only rupees 99 for this package to get delivered to your home. So 99 rupees is not a big deal, and we are getting 5 sample products from this brand. And while discussing about the aroma, the main ingredient in these products is the so-called coconut oil. So the aroma is also like the coconut smell. I'll be showing the texture of this body lotion, and it smells so good, like very convincing. I just love this smell. And you can see how easily it gets blended. And while coming to the hair cleanser, my hair is absolutely like a oily type. So this hair cleanser, yes, it worked good. And the conditioner, I just fell in love with the conditioner. It just left a very smooth, shiny texture, the thing which I most love about my hair. And while coming to the face wash, which is a very mild foaming one, and it is not harsh on your face, it just cleanses your face and keeps it refreshed. And while coming to the shower gel, as I have said, I have not used it even for once, and if I'm going to use it in the future, definitely I'll be going to update the review of that shower gel in the description box. And that's all about these Coco Soul brand products, which includes 5 products: the face wash, the hair scalp cleanser, the hair conditioner, the body lotion, and the shower gel. And we have discussed about the texture, the aroma, and the packaging of the products too. And if you find this interesting and if you're willing to buy these products, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. As you know, I will always make your work more easier. And if you just like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family members, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you wanted to know how I created this look, you can just head on to my Instagram account and check my recent Instagram post, so that you can find the detailed video about this makeup. So if you find my stuff interesting, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @glamupteen, and the links are absolutely given in the description box. You can just go on and click on the link and just follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to end this video, so signing off, this is Taruni. See you in the next video. Until then, keep loving, keep supporting, and love you all.